Here I've got CUBOT J5 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to switch off your phone. In order to do that you have to tap on power key, hold it for about 3 seconds, then click on power off and confirm by tapping on OK. Now just wait until your device is off. And once it's shut down, tap on power key all together with volume up keys and hold them until you see the logo of CUBOT. And now we are in boot mode. Here you can navigate by using volume up key and you can select each option by tapping on volume down key. So let me pick recovery mode because this is the mode that we have to enter. Within a short while you will see Android logo. Here it is, and now you have to tap on power key and then tap twice on volume up key. And now we are in Android recovery mode, in which you can navigate by using both volume up and down keys, and for selection you have to tap on power key. So it's time to pick wipe cache partition function. Here it is. Now simply tap on power key, confirm that you would like to do it because as you can see this operation cannot be undone, click on yes and wait a couple of seconds. As you can see here you've got the notification, cache wipe complete, so simply reboot system now. It's time to tap on power key and wait a couple of seconds until we are back in the standard mode. And that's it. As you can see now you can use your device as usually, so enjoy! Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.